Good morning and welcome back to your online classes. So today chapter is 8 from your moral science book. So the chapter is named Reading the Most Productive Activity. Means reading is the most productive activity. Means एक बहुत ही important या बहुत ज़रूरी उत्पादक है ये. Okay. In this chapter we see why is the reading is most important in our life and what is the benefit of this, okay, and which time and which age we have to start with this and how they work in our life also. So let's start reading, and when I was reading that one, so slowly you understand what is the meaning of that one. Margaret Fuller said, today a reader, tomorrow a leader. So these are the thoughts it's given. You just read it and write in your copy also. And Phillips also doing by yourself. I will send the answer also too. So let's start our reading. It was not long before that the television and computer had not conquered our lives in a way they have today. The precious habit of reading books remained the most popular leisure activity during that time. Books lovers used to engage happily in the world of their favorite books and cherish it forever. Today, we gain giant leap in technology. There are much many options that fill up our leisure times. Biography of great men and women tell us the most of them became great because of the inspiration they got from reading books, especially during their childhood days. So this paragraph tell to us previous year, means long before ago. That time no network, okay, no Android phone. So people always their lesser time spent with the books from only not the young age, from the childhood time also, and they read the biography of the great men and women also, and they know what is the power of the reading. That was time people read the novels, and those are very good. Those that love the favorite books like comics, anyone, novel. So they are reading that one, okay, and they want to also become like that person. Those are a great one, and that was time people are very busy with these books and they not busy with the mobiles, because that was time no mobiles like that as today, okay. So read, but why? पढ़ो लेकिन क्यों? It is no wonder when people say that reading boosts creativity by delving into the perspective of an author, one develops creative mind. Books not only inspire us, but they also provide knowledge. It is to be noted that reading exposes our mind to different cultures and languages of the world. As our mind explores such a wealth of ideas through reading, it helps us to communicate with depth of thought. Again, reading gives us entertainment, novels, short stories, poems, travels, and even comic entertainment our mind. Our imagination is our ignited means प्रज्वलित, okay, ignited. When we read, we become creators of story. As we animate the story we read in our minds, is definitely a healthy exercise to the mind. Reading is the most effective way to improving vocabulary and the word power. Children who start reading from earlier age are known as develop good language, as they get impressive way of expressing their thoughts and ideas. Talk to your parents and teacher about the significance of reading and importance of reading. अपने parents से पूछिए, बात कीजिए उनसे, अपने teacher से, what is the importance of reading. Most of us would agree that the best time to inculcate the habit of reading is during his or her childhood. It's not only hones the ability of individual or understand and grasps various concepts with the confidence, but also helps the young mind to think, understand and reason out concepts rather than just mugging them up. Means कैसे हम लोग चीज़ों को पढ़ते थे, what is the important. You also from starting reading at home, then you see your vocabulary also improve and knowledge also, and you learn also how to express your thought and your ideas also. Okay, so this is the way, and this is telling to us why the reading is important. So, tips to help the cultivate a better and consistent reading habit. Determine your reading goal. In order to create a reading habit and culture, it's important to start off by setting a goal. This goal should be articulate and backed up with a purpose. An example could be reading at least one book per month in order to achieve a bigger goal of 12 books in a year. Be determined to make its enjoyable process. Don't see it tasking queue. Make a list of books for each month. So this is the tips to how to habitual for reading the books and which type of books you should be taken. So one by one we read these topics tips. Once you are done setting your reading goal for the year, you will be need a list to back it up. Write out a list of the amazing books you want to read. Ask for Ask for recommendation from friends and mentors. It's important to keep a journal, notepad, or Excel spreadsheet listing the books you will like to read for each month or even a year. Read at least 10-20 pages a day. If you are looking to create a consistent reading pattern, then setting out a particular number of pages per day would work perfectly. Consider setting aside at least 10-20 pages per day to read. Especially you have a busy schedule, this process will help you stay focused as you look forward to accomplishing your daily goal. Okay, means is a fulfill to you. Well, accomplishing means you fulfill daily goal of your specific number of pages. Focus leads to eventually and soon enough reading will become a lifestyle for you. Invest in tools that encourage reading. When it's come eventually, it's important to invest in the right tools that will set the pace for a better reading pattern. For those that love hard copy books, consider setting aside a good reading environment and with the appropriate table and chairs to help you stay focused. That way you will be gratitude get accustomed to that space and look forward to your reading time. For most people, day to day mobiles, apps, tables, news, aggregation books, readers, and other online tools actually work wonders because the world is digital. Most people prefer having their handy mobiles appliances that would help them stay on top of their goals. Figure out what tools work best for you and invest them. In the previous long ago, those are people are encouraged the reading. They are starting take the books and set up the chair table, then they sit and reading. But today is a digital world, so people are using the handy mobiles. So this one the way they are using, but this time you have to decide which things you should be choosing. Yeah, which tools you should be choosing, and you make a good reader. Fifth one, get reading partner, friends, book and club. Goals need to be backed up by accountability in order to help put a check and encourage you during time you don't feel motivated. Get a reading partner who has heart and willingness to read and create a plan help achieve your reading goals. With a book club, you will create a concrete strategy that consistently keeps you motivated and inspired to grow beyond your comfort zone. Such gathering give you opportunity to discuss lesson you learned, other thoughts. So quotation alert, with a book you are never alone. If you reading books, so you will feel never alone, and it's give good knowledge. A book is a gift you can open and again. This is the gift you can open, जिसे आप खोल सकते हैं. So this is the Garrison Keillor said, and the Bisley's book is said that one. So this is the words meaning, you do that, and this is the fill up question answer I will said you. So I want to tell you what is the importance of reading in this chapter. So in this chapter already we seen the reading the most productive activity. So we have seen in this chapter why reading is important. If you started reading and you make a goal to start reading. So many things is changing in your life, and you will get a good knowledge and improve your language, and you can speak English language also, and your vocabulary also will be improved very nicely. So daily 1 to 20 pages you should be reading up one paragraph, so it's important, so you can easily learn new words also. And you read should be good books which will help you. Okay, novels also you can read. It's motivate novels, those are in the market, you can buy and read it. And you choose your good friend who are good in reading also. Sometimes some difficult words will be there, so you can't be understand, you can't be able to pronounce that one also. You should be choosing always the book, not mobiles. Okay, so this is the important, because reading improve your full life. Okay, and good things you will be learning. Okay, so you should be start reading from novels, any books in English, and it's help you, and you learn, and you can explain also your thoughts, imaginaries. Okay, so once again you read this chapter at home and find the fill-ups and question answer also by yourself, but I will send you question answer also. So till then, take care. Thank you.